Which of the following is true about the second nocturne? Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, it was written just before Szymanowska's death. The second half of the passage mentions that the second nocturne is believed to have been written between this time frame, but it makes no suggestion regarding whether it was written just before the composer's death. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice B, it was written when Szymanowska was old. Again, the passage simply indicates that the nocturne was written in this time frame, but makes no suggestion regarding the age of Szymanowska. So this answer choice cannot be established. So let's eliminate it. Answer choice C, it was written as part of a long delayed project. The passage says that when Szymanowska was in St. Petersburg, she was free to pursue some long delayed projects. However, the passage doesn't add any certainty regarding whether this particular nocturne was part of this project and also whether it was written during this time frame. All that the passage says is a possibility with no certainty. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice D, it was likely written when Szymanowska was in her home in St. Petersburg. The passage says that when Szymanowska was in her permanent home in St. Petersburg, she had free time to pursue some long delayed project, and it is possible that this sophisticated piece was written in that time frame. So it can be established that the piece was likely written when Szymanowska resided in St. Petersburg. Please note that the term possible here indicates just likelihood and no certainty and aligns with the term likely written. This is a good answer choice. Let's keep this on hold. Answer choice E, it was likely written when Szymanowska did not have a social life. The passage says that the second nocturne was written in this time frame, and until that time, Szymanowska had demands of an active social life. However, the passage doesn't suggest that in this time she did not have a social life. So this is an extreme answer choice. Let's eliminate it. D is the correct answer choice.